How to download fonts on iPhone to CapCut. Let's get started. Launch your Safari browser. Now head towards this web page. Once you land to this web page, you're gonna find tons of font options. So go ahead and select the font that you wanna download. Once you select it, at the right corner of the font, you will find the option of download. Click on it. Now click on download. With that, download process will start. Now at the top left corner, you can find this arrow icon. Click on it. Head towards the option of downloads. Now over here, you will be able to find the font. Click on it. Now you have to click on the zip file. Now click on the file. Once you download this file, you can close this. Now launch your CapCut. Now click on new project and select any of the picture or video. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of text. Now click on the option add text. Now click on the option of font. Click on this option add font. Click on this plus icon. Now click on this download options. Now head towards the file that you have just downloaded. Open it. Now check in for the file font that you have just downloaded and then click on open. And with that, font has been imported to CapCut. So this way you can easily download fonts on iPhone to CapCut. By applying the same process, you are able to import any of the font to your CapCut. I hope now you guys are clear about how to download fonts on iPhone to CapCut. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.